In order to connect the Bluetooth, first we will click on the phone. Here notice it says no device connected to the MMI. Before going forward, just make sure the Bluetooth on your phone is turned on. Once the Bluetooth is turned on, you will see Audi written at the very front of it, but the remaining numbers at the end should be different in your case. Just press that device name right there. After that, you would see the car screen asking, would you want to accept this phone? We will press accept and then also press pair on the phone screen. Now it's asking to allow contacts and favorites, saying we'll press allow. After that, you would see the iPhone Bluetooth is connected with the car. Now you would notice the phone is asking whether you want to connect Apple CarPlay. It's up to you if you want to connect or use Bluetooth only. In my case, I will just press use Bluetooth only. That is how you connect a Bluetooth device to this car. Now suppose you want to delete a previously connected device. What we'll do is we'll press connected devices. Here you would notice one telephone on top and second telephone at the bottom. The first telephone is connected, so we will click on that. And here's our iPhone connected, so we will press and hold that iPhone. It's going to bring these three options. In our case, we will press delete. And right there is the Bluetooth device deleted. That is how you add or delete a Bluetooth device to this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.